Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please follow my page, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video so that it can get to some other people. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use your mobile phone to do analysis on Deriv Tradingview. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So first and foremost, you have to go to your browser. For me, I use Chrome, so I just tap on my Chrome, so it's open. So already I have the this, but let's assume you don't have this. What you do, just come over here and type charts.deriv charts charts.deriv. Once you just type on this, it will take you to this. You see trading view Deriv. So once you click on this, it's gonna load. Okay, so the interface is loading now. I think because of my network is still a little bit slow. All right, so over here we have, you see here, forex, stock indices, commodities, Deriv, cryptocurrencies. This is Deriv. So if you want to trade forex, uh, like currencies and rest of them, you just click here. You need to you need to delete this one. You delete this, then these are several forex pairs that you can trade. Then, but we are much interested in the Deriv. um so just click on the Deriv. So over here we have a lot of them. We have the volatility 10 1s index, volatility 10x, volatility 25, and so on and so forth. So let me just click one of them, and let me just click. Let's just click volatility 75 on index. So over here we can change uh, the time frame. Here we have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, as the case may be. So whichever time frame you want to change, you can easily change it here. Okay, now it's in 1 minute, you can see. So if you want to adjust it, you can just do it this way. Then yeah, you can change this candlestick to any can change it to bars, all candles, volume candles, all of them. Let's just click one of them. This side is gonna look at. If we change it to bars, then let's go back to bar and this. Then the most important over here, this is where you can, if you are the type that uses indicators for your analysis, you can choose any of these indicators. For me, I don't use indicators, so you can choose any of them and apply it to your charts. Then this is to redo and undo. Then this is the most important part of this. Whenever you are using this Deriv on your mobile phone or even in your PC, the challenges that we used to have is sometimes when you not save this, maybe I just, for example, okay, let me just give you an example. Is Let me just say I put a trend line here. I'm doing an analysis right now. Let's just say something like this, and then I didn't save this. Then maybe I mistakenly um, refresh this page, let me show you what I mean. Maybe I refresh this page, everything's gonna wipe out. Just, yeah, you see that what I did now, everything's gonna go return back to you. This is volatility 25. So in order to avoid this, maybe after doing your analysis and you just close the your browser and reopen it, and then you couldn't find all the analysis you've done, you discover that everything has been wiped out. Then in order to avoid this, what you're going to do is, let's just pick the same volatility 75 index. Then let's just change it to, let me just pick, okay, let's just say 30 minutes time frame. And then, so okay, yeah, so look at it. So in order to avoid that, what you're going to do now is, okay, let's just say I just do my analysis. I just do my analysis. Just do my analysis. Yeah. So in order for not this analysis to scatter, or maybe when you close the app, when you close this browser, or when you mistakenly refresh your browser, everything wipes out. In order for you not to lose your analysis, what you're going to do, you are going to save this. So you come to this. Normally it used to be like this, so you just move this, you come to save. Then let's just say you save, you type the name you want to use for the layout. Let's just say something like this, and after that, sorry, yeah, just type the name you want to use for your, then you click on save. So with this now, I've saved this. So even if I close this, and open it, this my analysis is going to still remain as it is. It's going to remain the way it is. Let me just add another thing. Then we are going to close it so that we see the effects. Okay, so and I click save. Okay, now that we have saved this, so what we are going to do now, let me just close the browser. Let me just close it. So come over here, let's just open a fresh one. Yeah, so uh, open a fresh one. Deriv. Okay, see it here. So Deriv Tradingview. So it has opened now. Okay, now I want to bring out that I've saved. So I just go here, click here, bring this up. Sorry. You see here, load layout. Once you click on this is a watch list that I've saved. All these things are the trade that I've saved. So you just click here, and then let's click here. So you see that the thing still remains. So you see it. So this is how you save using your phone. So this helps a lot, because if you do not save, maybe you just finish analysis, and then maybe let's just say you mistakenly press refresh the browser, everything is going to wipe out, everything. So it means you are going to start all over again to start doing analysis. So just like every other this thing, everything is here. This is your fib retracement, this is your long and short use. So everything just have to take your time and and go through all these things. So but the most important thing is you should be able to save all these things. If you don't want to lose it, you just save it. You don't want to lose anything whenever you are doing your analysis. So that's it for the video. If you've really learned something from this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel, and also give this video a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Peace.